Well, the intricate web of corruption stitched by middlemen between Ministry of Defence officials and Finmeccanica has been exposed by a series of audio tapes accessed by India Today. The tapes, which are currently in the investigative agency's possession, detail how Hashka and Yeruso, the key middlemen in the 3,600 crore rupees scam, managed to send crores to Indian officials in exchange for key information from the ministry.
Here's how crores of money was paid off to Indian officials in the Augusta Westland deal. Here's how middlemen ensured that officials were bribed through a web of companies across the world.
We have built a complex maze of companies to route bribes to India. The probe is moving very fast.
India Today has accessed the phone conversation between two middlemen of the Augusta Westland deal, elaborately discussing how they covered their trial of corruption.
What happens if probe begins into our dealings?
Oh, don't worry. We have built a complex maze of companies to route bribes to India. You know, even if the probe begins today, no one will ever catch us, you know. And even if investigation reaches them, it would take the agencies 10 years to reach Mauritius. You know that?
Okay. So what happens to the documents shared?
Documents related to our dealings with Augusta Westland have disappeared from Lugano office in Switzerland. They are safe in my mother's house.
Okay then, get me the rest of them and I'll hide them in my wardrobe.
In another conversation, Hashke and Yeruso discussed the fallout of their probe and how their interest will remain intact because of the trove of information they hold.
No, for argument's sake, moreover, I don't think they'll stop paying completely now.
No, I don't think so.
It would be an admission of guilt.
Well, absolutely right. Not only will this be an admission of guilt, but it would also make us rebel, so that at that point we would have no interest to keep our mouths shut.
India Today also accessed another audio tape where Hashke assures Delhi-based lawyer Gautam Khaitan that the law will not catch up with them. Khaitan was arrested by the ED for his role in the scam, but a court later set him free.
Hi Hashke, I'm afraid the probe is moving very fast.
Oh, don't worry. I've cleaned my computer and made all documents and emails disappear. There are no bank accounts directly connected to us in this country.
How do we proceed now?
Well, the lawyer has told me not to stop going to Augusta West, and that means just keep going. And just business as usual, as if nothing had happened. Because otherwise it would look very suspicious. Why have you stopped? And this is also the reason they will continue making all the payments. Business as usual, nothing happened, nothing happened. Stay perfectly clean.
Incriminating evidence of the 3,600 crores corruption of the chopper deal, it's clear that the corruption is deep-rooted not just stemming in Italy but across the world. And these tapes are said to be shot in the arm for the probe agencies as they set to unravel this intricate web of corruption. Bureau Report, India Today.